Sup guys, over here. In this video we're gonna be getting ourselves a Web3 mail domain. We're gonna do that at Dmail, and if you have a Binance account bound token, you can get it for free, only need to pay a couple cents for gas. If you don't have a Binance account bound token, you can check the previous video on the channel on how to get it, and also as usual all links gonna be in description. First thing that we need to do is obviously connect the wallet. First I'm connecting the wallet without BABT token, and as you can see 8 to 11 digits will cost you $5.49. Now we're gonna connect the wallet that does have BABT, and now as you can see on 8 to 11 digit it says free mint. I already registered one 7 digit yesterday for $9.99. Now I want to take the opportunity to do it free. I'm gonna register that one. It says available. As you can see, there is no expiration date. You're also getting some points. We're gonna come back to that later. You can pay with USDT, BUSD, ICP. Obviously now we don't have to pay. We just connect, and all you're paying is the gas. In this particular case I'll be paying around 3 cents. And then you get to this page where you need to click on view NFT. And then there is a binding button that you need to press and bind your NFT with your mailbox. I already did it yesterday. As you can see, it says in use, so I can already use my inbox. And there's also a feature here, a point system. If we go to here, you can see that there are different plans and you can upgrade to those using points. And on this page you can see tasks that you can complete to acquire those points. Now we're gonna go to the docs to read a little bit about the point system. Team decided to launch a reward point program to open up access to the Web3 world for more users. Through the form of point reward, we hope to motivate users to explore to use Dmail more, experience the extraordinary features of Web3 Mailbox, and let more people understand and use Web3 Mailbox. Dmail Points are not official tokens, but they can allow users to upgrade their rights and interests, experience various high-grade functions on the platform, become the user credentials and marks for various official airdrop activities in the future, and even it can be the basis of future Dmail DAO development. So it is possible that we're gonna get some benefits from them in the future. How to get Dmail points? First of all, the NFT domain names accounts obtained through presale, purchase or activity rewards can get initial points based on the number of digits. When we registered 8 to 11 digit, you should get 500 points, and the domain I registered yesterday, the 7 digit, should get 800 points. Secondly, for the current functions of Dmail Mailbox, the official has set up a reward plan for users in many parts of using Dmail Mailbox. By completing corresponding tasks, you can get corresponding point rewards. We already kind of see some of those, but actually here you can also see some activities that are not currently available, like set avatar, join Discord, be active on Discord, and some other missions. There is also a note about this 3D crystal NFT. We can also go and check this out. These are pretty pricey though, 32.7 of these tokens. I think they're close to $6 now, so that's gonna be around like 170 probably with the current rate, 170 USD. But again, you can earn a lot of points without it too. Also, you can provide feedback to this address, and users who give feedback $10 to the officials and are accepted will also be rewarded with the corresponding points. And then we have the list of like future activities that's gonna be implemented, and we also gonna get points from doing that, and the use case of points, and then you have detailed rules. We're not going to go through all of that. Link is in description, so you can read it yourself if you want. And in the meantime, you can start using your brand new Web3 mailbox. And also I would suggest to join their media. They have Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and Medium. So I'm gonna go test the functionality of this mailbox. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon.